little fox.
Uh-oh! Who are you?
I am a Seriema. We are birds of prey. You weigh over 90 kilograms. We can grow up to 3 meters long. We can weigh over 90 kilograms. We are the birds of prey in the world.
Where do you live?
We live in South America. We live in Africa and desert.
What do you eat?
We eat snake, lizard, spiders, and frogs. Some Seriema eat tigers. Elephants and jaguars like to eat moose.
How do you protect yourself?
Seriema can be a feathers that helps protect. We can also run fast.
Do you live alone?
No, we live in groups. Some groups have 500s of Seriema. Do you fly? We can fly. Then, our wings are flying. Seat. I looked in the eagles in the sky. Good be Seriema.
Whoa! Who are you?
I'm a peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animals on Earth.
Where do you live?
Peregrine falcons live all over the world. We like being close to the sea.
What do you eat?
We eat other birds like ducks or pigeons. We also eat bats.
How do you find prey?
We watch from a high place. We wait for other birds to fly by.
Is it hard to see from up high?
Nope. Our eyes are amazing. We can spot small animals from far away.
Is that when you fly fast?
Yes, we dive down toward our prey. We catch it in midair.
Do you have any enemies?
Eagles and owls sometimes try to eat us. But we don't have many enemies. Oh, I see a flock of pigeons. Time to hunt.
Goodbye, Peregrine Falcon!